Can I repair old car myself? Yes, in general, yes. But what I need for this?
Patrick's Garage.
Grab your snack, welcome back. First, of course, you need area where you want to accomplish all this work. In general, this will be garage. Working place. Yes, now in winter you want to working under a roof. You want to have this area without snow with appropriate temperatures. So you want to work and not thinking about these problems about temperature, about electricity, that they supplying electricity, enough electricity, you want to using welding or things like that. You want to have access for electricity, light, and probably this will be better to put as a number first. Desire. You really want to repair your car by own hands. Yes, more easy to go to repair station, to car care centers, and pay money them, and they can doing this work. But you have no any warranties that they can doing their work in appropriate way, so it will be satisfied to you. All in all, main engine of this process of restoration, desire, unstoppable desire. So you really want to repair your car, and with this desire will be more easier to do these not simple things, I want to admit. But with this desire you can skip these difficulties which will be on the way of restoration process. You just skip them because you really want to get these results. You aimed to repair car by own hands without any help additional. When you start to doing something, you want this knowledge base of knowledge. You want to get access to information, especially about your car, which you really want to repair. You want to have these books. You want to find these groups, these guys. They also interested about the same topic, about the same cars. So will be additional support from the people they thinking about their cars. They can help you with advice. Even this will be enough. It's require additional expenses. Have you enough money to accomplish these things? You want to have additional money for this your passion. You want to buy tools, you want to buy spare parts, you want to pay for electricity at least and this area, and you want to counting all these things before you start. This will be additional money, and I don't want to say that this will be really money pits, but some expenses you want to require, some expenses will be with this process of repair car, but not a lot of money you want to spend as rather than you go to car care center and you will paying mechanics. This will be more money. Another question, which will be especially for you: have you enough time for this work after your current work? And after the work, you want to go to garage. If you want to spend Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but some days from week you want to spend for this repair process. You don't want to spend weekend, and I think that you want to think about this in advance. Have you enough time to for you want to spend for your car? You spend this time with your car in a garage, and what uh, granny or any relatives, what they think about that, who knows? And since all this will be achieved, you want to think about process and you want avoid distractions. Relatives can approach to your garage, and let's suppose anyone want to approach to your garage, they can just distract you from your process of repair. What you can do, I don't know, just blabbling with them so they will be satisfied and go away. But you don't want to close the door because there is no access of fresh air. This is not good idea, but yes, you want to counting all these distractive factors, but during the process you want stop doing anything, blabbling with persons, they go away, and only after that you continue your work. Probably this will be main mechanically inclined. You should be mechanically inclined. By the way, you want to working mechanically, and if you can't imagine what is this, how to repair a car, I don't know for what. I want to repair a car and you mechanically inclined, but your desire, main thing, you mechanically inclined, your desire little bit money, a room where you planning to do all these things, maybe asphalt, concrete floor, and will be enough. But what will be during when it rains? What you can do? Snow now, winter, cold, really cold, will be sitting. So you want to have this area where you want to making all this enjoy in a garage by process of restoration, tools, spare parts, a little bit money for spare parts, but main thing through all your journey, yes, this is your desire.
You repair your own car just from own desire. I'm not saying that you want to do all this because you can't find normal mechanics and lame as only out there. Difficulties, expenses in both ways. Really hard to find really honest mechanics. And you're making your old car repair decisions that are intelligent. Just keep in mind they exist. And we have to factor that in. Car is a lot of things, different miscellaneous things which modern cars stuff. You're able to repair old car. Yes, I want to repeat this, but this is obvious. You want to repair old simple car. But here is the thing. If you 100% sure, so you're assured that you're not able to repair our car, yes, you go to mechanics. And more better to realize what will be in advance, what waits for you, because expenditure for car project can be enormous, and this depends from desire. I have gone through the spirit of repair car and I'm never going to repeat. Yes, as always, will be a little disclaimer. You can start repair your own car at any age. If you say you have no these things, you have no area, you have no tools, this is just excuses. Keep in mind. Yes, we can agree the older you start, the more challenging this becomes. However, if you really fervent desire, this repair car challenge will never become too great. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell, so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.